first and last ride. This is ridiculous, you guys. Like, GoPros, I just don't get it. Like, I've been dealing with so many issues. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. I've been dealing with so many issues with the GoPro, y'all. It's been ridiculous. I've been trying to get some video up, but how can I get video up if I got GoPros that don't want to work? Don't know. Anyways, you guys, first and last ride. So, ZX14, you guys. This is a 07 ZX14. Of course, you guys know this is for the TRex build, you guys. Need to do a replacement motor for it. I basically have everything for the entire build. The only thing that I don't have is basically the motor, obviously. So went out, found the ZX14. This actually has very low miles on it, you guys. Little under 6,200 miles, you guys. So I'm going to basically take this thing out for a quick little ride, real quick. Yeah, we're gonna pump her up a little bit, get a little fuel. I don't want to put too much in it though, because I'm about to strip this thing apart, y'all. I don't want to just have wasted gas. Gas is expensive. So I ain't got no money. I'm broke. This thing is bone stock. It has bone stock everything on it, and it runs really good, you guys. Now I won't really push this bike, y'all, because I'm a little scared. Let's slow down, because this little hump will send you flying. I'm a little scared. I ain't no scared, y'all. Come on, I ain't no sucker. You know who this is. You know what this is. But this bike has some power behind it, y'all. It will definitely lift me. This bike will definitely lift me, you guys. I don't weigh that much. I'm a little guy. Just a little guy, a little dude. Yeah, no. So we're gonna take the back way, y'all, and have some fun. I'm gonna go right here on this little strip right here, and I'm gonna do a little something. But I love this bike, y'all. ZX14. I'm kind of blown. I was texting my man Mark. I was saying, like, I don't know if I even want to get rid of this thing. I was like, yo, maybe I just buy another one. And dude, you just missed the light, because he texting on his phone, ain't even paying attention. Stupid. You are the Bama of the week. But yeah, the camera's still on there. Hey, camera. Hi. Hi. Let's see what he does. He don't even got his turn signals on. I don't have mine on either. I can't talk. What's up, dude? What is this Bama doing? Turn your turn signals on. This is how we die. People are just weird, y'all. They're not ignorant. They're just weird. They do weird shit. Turn my signal on. I can't wait to take this thing apart, y'all. Like, I love this bike, but I can't wait to take it apart. That's why this is the first and last ride. I told Bat Mom, I say, look, I'm gonna go take this joint down the street, go get this business taken care of, and then when I bring it back, I'm stripping this joint. I'm taking it apart. I'm stripping it like a stripper. Yeah, no. As soon as I hit this turn right here, y'all, if it ain't no cops, I don't want to do nothing crazy. Because Lord knows we don't want this joint taken, y'all. Then it's going to be a whole nother type of motor vlog. That joint going to turn into court cams real fast. Hey, I be watching court cams. I don't know if y'all be watching it. That shit be funny. Court cams be having me rolling. Shout out to court cams. Yeah, no. Hey, yeah, too. All right, let me see. Oh, no, that look like a cop right there. But I'm going to go ahead and jump out. Is it a cop? No. This bike is so fun, y'all, and it's so much lighter than the ZX14. I mean the ZX12. The ZX12 I had, I think from my understanding, it's more of like a touring bike. That bike wasn't like a track bike. I guess you can take it on the track though. I mean, I think it was the Concourse and the ZX12, and then they did the same thing but with the ZX14. But with this bike, it was like this bike is definitely like a track bike. It's way lighter. I love this bike. I ain't gonna do no weaving in and out of traffic though. But this bike is fun as hell, y'all. I don't want to get rid of it, but I got our strippers from the park. I was supposed to went to Daytona Bike Week, y'all, and then that mama tells me, no, we actually had a free all expense paid trip to Cancun, and unfortunately we can't go. And I'm blown because Bat Mama worked hard and she earned a free vacation, y'all. All expense paid to Cancun, I think for like a week or two or something like that. And unfortunately, we can't go because we, as y'all know, we just had the baby. So we can't do much as far as taking the baby to Cancun. We ain't about to do that. But it's all good. I say, hey, we're gonna take another trip. But I am butthurt that I ain't go to Daytona Bike Week, y'all. I'm really butthurt. Like, I'm really butthurt. I'm really butthurt, y'all. I wanted to go so bad, man. I really wanted to go so bad. My original goal, camera still looking at me? My original goal was basically to take and finish the T-Rex and take it down there. I was hoping me, Mark, my man Dom, a few other people, we would basically take our T-Rexes down there, but ain't none of us finished ours right now. So we gonna set up something later on in the summer. I'm thinking of either doing Myrtle Beach. If we don't do Myrtle Beach, Myrtle Beach got a bike week. I think theirs is like towards the end of summer or something like that. But we're gonna do Myrtle Beach, and if we don't do Myrtle Beach, we're gonna do Ocean City. And I'm thinking that gives us an opportunity to go down there and check things out. You know what I'm saying? Meet, greet, you know what I'm saying? Mingle, you know. I think that'd be fun. We'll be able to trailer them down there and ride them around down there and everything else like that. I think that'd be dope. Daytona, we missed out on that, unfortunately, but hopefully there'll be more. I'm pretty sure there'll be more. I mean, Daytona Bike Week, I think it's like one of the longest running bike weeks that they do. I know here they stopped doing the Rolling Thunder, and the Rolling Thunder was basically going on forever. So I don't know if there's a situation that that they might stop it or whatever, but if they do, then I'm petitioning and I'm throwing some Molotov cocktails in somebody's nah, Bad 883 don't ride. Bad 883 don't ride, y'all. But yeah, man, I've been getting so many scammers, man, that's just been hitting me up trying to pull me in on these scams. I'm saying, dude, did you just run the light? Oh no, he turned me. He still ran that light because you supposed to stop. But yeah, I just got so many people that's basically been like asking me to help them out and all this other stuff. And I've been, you know what I'm saying, doing what I can to help people out if they got little questions like, like where should I mount the motor, blah, 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 all that other stuff. Stuff like that is absolutely fine. But when you sitting there like, oh man, can you send me them plans? What's the measurements, man? I want to help me out, man. Come on, baby. Come on. Let me see. But yeah, man, I'm hoping that all works out. We gonna run up in Crest Lock real quick and get this key. I'ma park this joint just like this. I ain't even gonna bag it up. Shake it fast. Watch yourself.
Can we take your picture?
Absolutely.
Oh my God, and your email.
Give me some. Come on, give me some.
Are you ready? Look, now you got a picture too.
Superman, that's my best friend. That's my bestest friend in the whole wide world. Yep. So you Superman. You're the Superman. You're my bestest friend. Give me some. Give me. Boom. Ouch. Ouch. Superman's super strong, so y'all have a good one. All right. They love it. All right, let's go open y'all. Oh, appreciate it.
You see that new Flash trailer yet?
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be dope. Man,
And Ben Affleck.
that took me way back. So Michael Keaton is my Batman. So that's why I was like, yes. All right, man. All right, let's see. The terrible place to kind of try to turn. I should have went straight because I can't see. Like, man. Here we go. Actually, my camera place is up there. We'll go there. Looking for a nice little spot I can take some pictures. Hey, yeah, no, I'm doing a nice little video joint. You know how I do. You know how I do. I make my videos pretty good. I hope I make them pretty good. I mean, shoot. How y'all like the video content so far? I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, the video content might be some trash, and I think it's good, but in reality, it's actually some dog doo doo. I don't care, man. I really just do this for fun, man. Oh, so on another note, y'all, when it goes time to be able to strip this motor apart, y'all, I'm not documenting it. I should, really. Well, I will. I'll try. I'm like this. I'll try. I won't do a full broken down, you know, shabizzle the whole breakdown, but I will. I'll try to document it. Because look at the reflection, y'all. Noise. Bat Mama got me the 360. Shout out to Bat Mama. Yeah, no, she got me the 360 for Christmas, y'all. She got me the 360 for Christmas. She been seeing the videos I've been watching of a few of the other motovloggers using that 360 camera on a bike. The catch to it is that she got me that joint after I got rid of the I got rid of the back glide. So I'm like, what am I put it on? Like, I'm gonna just tie that joint to my ass and just walk down the street. So I wound up getting another one. As you know, I got this. I did talk to Bat Mama, and Bat Mama, I did tell her I'm thinking of getting another Harley. I don't know what kind of Harley I'm gonna get though, but I do want to get another one. No time soon yet. If anything comes up, then maybe I'll be able to get one. But for right now, the focus is basically to get this T-Rex finished, you guys. I got some plans of some things that I'm working on. All right, y'all. So, like I said, first and last ride impressions as for a ZX14. I mean, it is a ZX14, best motorcycle I've ever ridden. I love Cowies, so I know a lot of people say there's a big discrepancy between Cowies and Hayabusas and all the other good stuff and everything else like that. My personal opinion, I don't see really too many of the ZX14s compared to the Hayabusas. You see Hayabusas everywhere. So, anyways, I'm pretty much done with it, you guys. It was fun. I really wish I could keep it, but as you guys know, we got to get the process started on it. So I went ahead and I did fix the frame, you guys. We're about to go ahead and get everything mounted up and everything else like that. So just a little bit, just to show you guys, we have all of the parts already ready to go. I am going to be disassembling the ZX14, and I'm going to be taking everything and putting it on Marketplace to sell. So I'll be taking all of the important stuff like the cluster, the controls, the motor, everything that goes with it, and then everything else, the tires, the fairings, the gas tank, brakes, the radiator, all of those other things I'll be taking and putting it on Marketplace to sell. It's gonna suck to tear this bike apart, y'all, but y'all know me, I don't give a damn, because at the end of the day, we gotta get this T-Rex working, y'all. I'm looking forward to being able to get this motor dropped into it, y'all. It's a few things that I gotta do, but in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get everything worked on. If you're new to the channel, man, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, get that bell icon a nice good old rub down, y'all. We are underway officially, y'all, and I'm not about to take no time with this build, y'all. I'm not going to be documenting the breakdown of the ZX14 only because I'm kind of on a time clock. I got a lot of work that I have to do outside of this, so I wanted to go to just get this thing disassembled, get the motor dropped, and start working on the wiring harness, which is going to take me forever. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and then get everything dropped into this frame. And then once I do that, then we can pretty much pick back up where we was at, y'all, as far as just doing a few little minor things that we got to do. For the meantime, like I said, man, y'all keep a lookout for all these crazies out here. I'm gonna catch you on the flipsies. Deuces, layouts.